Hi everyone. In today's tutorial, we will show you how to add photos to frames in Canva, so we can easily fit images into creative shapes and layouts. Using frames helps make our designs look more polished and visually appealing. On the Canva dashboard, we start by clicking the Elements tab in the upper left part of the screen. Then we click on Frame. Type Frames in the search bar and press Enter. We will see the frame options appear at the bottom. Let's pick a frame that is free to use. We'll go with this one here. Now we can resize the frame to make it bigger. Next, we upload a photo. We'll select a file from our device and use this photo. Let's wait for the upload to finish. Then we click on the photo to add it to the frame. We can then adjust the photo to fit just the way we want it. And that's how we add photos to frames in Canva. Quick and simple. Now we can create more dynamic and professional looking designs with ease.